Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create aviator predictor telegram bot. If you want to do this, just go to search bar and write here aviator predictor bot, right? And you will get this link of GitHub here. Just open it up. Let me just open in the same tab here. Once you open it up here, you will see this, right? And there's a lot of things here. Now you have to just go and click on aviator, right? And once you go and click on here, it will open up. Now you can just go and click on download, and you will be redirected to a new page here. Now from here you can just download the aviator predictor bot. But if you're looking for aviator predictor telegram bot, then I can show you how you can do this. Just go back and write here telegram, right? And here you will get this link here, aviator bot telegram here. Just open it up, right? And here it is. Now you have to just go and click on aviator bot, right? If it is not available here, you can just go back and click on this bot. Now here you can get this bot here. This is a screenshot that how you can start this up and everything. So the official bot telegram, click on joining here. So we have to click on this. You will be redirected to telegram here. Click on view in telegram, and you can just view the channel and everything, right? You can download the telegram. You can do the same thing in your mobile application too. And this is how you can join. I hope you are created. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.